In this video, we will learn how to split PDF pages. So let's start. This is my PDF. I just double click on this PDF and I show here. This is a one presentation, and this presentation, this PDF, I'm going to split in separated PDF file. I just close this PDF and go to the Google Chrome. Okay, here I open the Google Chrome and I search here the one website, I love PDF. I just click on the website, and here you can see in website have a second option, the split PDF. Just click on it and select here the PDF file those you want to split. I just select this and click on the open, and here you can see the right hand side have a split option showing. I select here the extract pages to split the separated pages. So you can see the all pages of PDF is selected. The selected pages will be converted into separate PDF file. 8 PDF file will be created. So there are 8 pages here available. So it all converted in PDF in separated file. Okay. And there is a second option, select pages. You can particularly select here the pages. Suppose I select a 1. So here you can see the pages to extract 1, 2, 3. So this way 1 to 3 is selected. Now you can split particular pages those you want. Okay, so I want here extract all pages, therefore I select the first option, extract all pages, and you can see the all pages here selected. Just click on the split PDF and click on the download split PDF. Here the one zip file is downloaded. I just click on this folder icon, and here your zip file here downloaded. Okay, so wait for the few seconds. It's not properly downloaded. I again go to the and check. Yes, it's downloaded. Just right click of the mouse and click on the extract file option, and then click on the OK, and you can see the file is extracted. Just double click on this folder and you can see total 8 PDF is available here. I just double click on the first one. You can see only one page is in one PDF. Okay, so all 8 pages in one PDF is split in separated PDF file. Okay, so this is a way you can use this site, the free site, and easily split the PDF. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.